Good morning student. Today I Purnima is going to tell you about poster writing, which is a part of writing section. Now first of all I welcome you to my class. Now student, let me tell you there are two type of writing section will be coming in your examination. First short composition and the other is long composition. So short composition are of 50 words and long compositions is of 120 to 150 words. So children, posters are of 50 words. Poster writing is of 50 words. Okay. Now it is a short composition. Now before starting that, I would like to tell you what is a poster writing. So first of all, what is a poster? Posters are placards displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. Posters are notices, advertisements and invitation all in one. So what is posters? Posters are posters are notices, advertisement and posters are notices, advertisements and children, notices is there, advertisements and there and invitations. Invitations. Okay, so it is advertisements, it is notices and it is children invitations. So all in one. Now children, what is the purpose of poster designing? So the purpose of poster designing is to create social awareness, about issues related to current problems and needs, or to advertise or even to extend public invitation and display notice. So children, through poster we convey a thing to the large number of public. Okay, and it is children, posters are displayed and it should be very attractive. So now children, how I will be telling you something about drafting the posters. So posters should be colorful, attractive and tempting. So children, one of the quality of the poster is it should be colorful, it should be attracting, then only it will attract large crowd by to itself, and it should be tempting. They must be drafted carefully to attract the attention of the readers, excite their imaginations and influence their mind. So children, posters should be colorful, attractive and tempting. The other point is that they must be drafted carefully to attract the attention of the readers, excite their imagination and influence their minds. Posters are read from a distance. Do not give many details to a poster. Posters are read from a distance. Do not give many details in a poster. Highlight only important issues or issues. So children, it is a poster which is read from a distance, and do not give many details in a poster. Highlight only important issues or issues. Now, what are the main features of the posters? This I have to tell you. So first of all children, I would be telling about 3 points of the poster, about its layout, okay, about its contents and about its expression. So we are dividing the poster writing into three parts. What are the important feature of a poster? Okay, so first of all I would be telling you about the layout of the poster. So it should be visually attractive or eye-catching. The title should be suggestive or a catchy title should be there. Use slogans, jingle or short words. Use slogans, jingle or short words. Sketch or simple drawing. Sketch or simple drawings. Letters of different size and shape. Letters of different size and shape. Proportionate spacing. Proportionate spacing should be there. And children, the most important thing, the font size of the letter. Which words are more important? It should be highlighted or it should be written in bold with a large font size. And children, we have to use slogan, catchy thoughts or children titles, okay, short verses. Now I am going to tell you something about the content of the poster. Now children, the theme or subject of the poster should be there. You cannot draw the posters without a theme. The theme or the poster should be there. You cannot draw the poster, children. You cannot draw the posters, okay, without a theme. Now, description or details associated with the theme. Description or details should be associated with the theme. Essential details like time, date, venue. Essential details should be there like time, date, venue. Okay. Names of issuing authority or organization. Names of issuing authority or organization. Names of issuing authority or organization should be there when you will write a poster. And children, without the theme or the subject we cannot draw the poster. And a description or details associated with the theme. Essential details like time, date, venue. Essential date should be there. Date should be there like time, and date should be there. Okay, and then venue should be there like if we will take the fete or a Diwali Mela, so at what time it is starting, what is the venue, okay, if tickets are there or if any other attractions are there, this we have to write in the poster writing. Then names of issuing authority or organization. Names of issuing authority or organization. Now, expression. Phrases, slogans, persuasive language. Phrases, slogans, persuasive language. Creativity in terms of content and design. Creativity in terms of content and design. Overall organization and sequencing of the matter. Overall organization and sequencing of the matter. Observed word limit should be 50 words. It is decided by CBSE board that your word limit of the poster should be only 50 words. And children, proper phrases should be there according to the theme, slogans, and persuasive language should be there. Creativity in terms of contents and design. Creativity should be there in terms of content and design. Now, there are many types of posters and which I would be telling you, like educational posters are there, cultures and sports posters are there, general posters are there. Okay, poster related with health should be there. Then general poster like pre-plantation, and then say no to alcohol, all this type of poster is there. So I will be telling you about different type of poster. Okay, so first poster which I would like to tell you is about educational poster. So I will be, and remember that posters are notices, advertisements and invitation. It is a mixture of all. So writing poster is not a easy thing. Why notices, children? We have to give all the information. Then you have to invite the people. Okay. So now I am going to write something. I will be telling you one educational poster. So whenever we write a poster, we have to draw a box. Okay, this is also this will also be there in the poster writing. So now I am going to read one children question, and according to the question you have to see that how you have to write the poster. Okay, so one is, your locality has started a readers clubs for the benefit of the children of the locality. Okay, this is educational poster. Your locality has started a readers club for the benefit of the children of the locality. Prepare a suitable poster for display in the colony. Now children, you have to display those poster, draft and display those poster in your colony. So let's see how you are going to do it. So first of all, who has children given orders for this poster? Who is announcer of the poster? So what you will write? Alpha Group Housing Society. Then you write the place, Varanasi. Okay. Alright. So you can see I have written with a capital letter. It is this group which has announces the foundation of a Readers Club. Now announces the formation of Readers Club. This font size should be written in a bit large, or you can draw any bubble, something that will attracts other. At community center. So children, at community center. Now then you have to write the details, time, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and then membership fees. Okay, and now student, you have to write for details contact. Now who is the person to whom you should contact if you want to become the children part of the Readers Club? So for details contact, here you will write for details contact A.P. Gupta, Secretary. Be a member today. Then children, you can write some pledges or small slogans like be a member today. You can draw children small books also. You can draw. Okay. Okay, then magazines you can draw, you can write the name of the famous magazines. So here children, I am writing the name of the group which has done the announcement. Then this is the main children part, attraction of your posters, that what is going to be there, reader club. Where? At community center. What would be this timing? 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Membership fees. You have to pay ₹100 and you will be getting one current magazine also. For details, contacts A.P. Gupta, is the secretary, and be a member today. So children, this is one of your educational poster. Okay. Now I will be telling you some other types of posters also. Now children, one poster is there that how we organize a fete. What is a fete children? So many things, eatables is sold by students, sometimes teachers also, but then it is a student show only, and people come, and so many games are also there, so many other things will be there to attract the people, puppet show and so many things, and fancy dress, shooting, electronics games, lucky draw, so many things is there in the fete, and people come to enjoy. Generally it is in the school, it is held in the school by the students with the help of the teachers. So one poster you have to design, a poster for your school fete. You may use slogans, do not exceed 50 words. So children, again, once again you have to draw the box. Okay, you have to draw the box. You have to draw the box. Now, then children, first thing you have to write fete, and it is organized by which school. So either you write the name of the school, or you can also write by this way also, fete, or you can write like RV Public School, Varanasi. Okay. Organizes so this you have to write the big font size. Okay, so you can draw it artistic. Okay, Army Public School Varanasi organized fete. In aid of, you can write earthquake victim. Why? In aid of earthquake victims, then you can write on Sunday, 31st January, in school assembly ground. So children, here I have written the information. Venue, date, day. time we have to write from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So all the information, children, I have written. Okay. Then children, this is not complete. Now you have to write what are the attraction of the poster. Why you have to attract the crowd also. If no crowd will come, then you won't get any money also. So you have to attract maximum crowd here. So here you can write. I am rubbing this one. Once again you can see, children, here announces it, and the main thing is this: what is organized by what, then why, then here the information, date, time is here 9 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then school assembly ground, Sunday 31st January. So all this is there. Now children, you have to, this is the only the first half. The second half, since the space is not there, so I am writing the second half again here only. The second half. Okay. Second half is, then you can write a day of fun and frolic. A day of fun and frolic. Also the F you can write the day are drawn. Frolic and fancy dress. Then what are the attraction? Fancy dress. Okay. Lucky draw. Merry-go-rounds. Then come one, then you can write children something like come one and come all. Okay, this you can write come one and come all. Entry by tickets. Then you can write entry by tickets of ₹20. Okay, and then you can write help a local cause. So children, this is the way. Okay, help a noble cause. Last line I have written help a noble cause. So children, in this way we write the poster as it attracts a lot of people. Then children, then so many posters are there like Diwali Mela. Okay, you can First you have to write similarly, like is it a club or is it a school or is it some organization which is organizing Diwali Mela, when, okay, venue, date, time. Then you have to write about entry fees and children. Then something you can write, celebrate eco-friendly Diwali, save the environment, cracker free, and then you can write sponsored by Pepsi. So children, in this way, then if some essay competition is there, essay writing contest, or children, so many contests are there, so you can do like this only. This is the same way. Okay, now then children, some general poster is there, like plant for tree plantation, we can say. Design a poster to launch tree plantation campaign in the area surrounding your school. So, a very interesting poster here, children. You can draw some trees also, plant tree and live longer. Okay, so something like this. This tree plantation you can keep any day, like environmental day or some any day where there is a holiday. So this is also a nice poster, writing question relating to the tree plantation. Okay. So here you can write a poster, like you have to, the question is draft a poster to launch tree plantation campaign in the surroundings, in the area surrounding your school. So you can write plant tree and live longer, and live longer. Join tree plantation campaign. And here children, you can draw a few beautiful picture of a tree. Okay. On Sunday, the 31st January 2021 at 9 p.m. at Army Public School, Varanasi. Okay, and then you can, children, you can write some more. This is the children, then you can write few more things, like you can write, then afterward, this is only half, that remember the benefits of trees. Now you have to, you can, how to attract others. You have to write the remember the benefits of trees, and then you can write release oxygen, suck carbon, bring rain, check soil erosion, provide food, shade and greenery. Trees live for us, let us protect our friends. Okay, so in this way, and then children, you have to close your box. So these are the tribes, children. So whenever we, once again I revise the main point, when again whenever we do poster writing, you have to draw a box. You have to write that from the, what is the topic that should be highlighted, that the font size should be big, and children, you have to tell it is organized by which, who announces it, where, day, date, venue, what are the attraction. Okay, and if attraction is not there, like here in tree plantation no attraction is there, then you can write what are the benefit of a tree, and then you can write at the end, you can write one nice thought: trees live for us, let us protect our friend. So or nature, we should nurture the nature as nature nurture us. So these are some of the quotations, some good words, good thoughts. This we children, we will be able to write it. So with this I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.